Ready? Here we go. Janella Puppet Show.
I'm gonna do a puppet show and do it fastly. It's on my not just bear. When you get this, no sounds. Be sound, no dog laugh, but just puppet sounds. Because we gotta do a show. Ready, everyone?
We're ready.
Buckle your seatbelts. Now we're going to play. You ready? And you got to get your drink.
Gotta get my drink. Okay, thank you.
Every time I say, you got to pour this in before you get the drink. And you got to give it to me.
There you
When
go.
you're done.
There you go.
As a most important thing, it's going to be a nice cup of coffee. When you're done, I'm saying, everyone's going to be a match of that. The day of the golden sword.
Wait a second.